Ay, nag-reach ka ng gabi. Ay, nag-reach ka ng gabi.
In Las Vegas, Nevada, as Premier Boxing Champions presents our ceremonial weigh-in for tomorrow's legendary event. We see WBC World Champion Mario Barrios defend his world title against the Hall of Famer Manny Pacquiao. The event is brought to you by TGB Promotions in association with MP Promotions, Samson Boxing, No Limit Boxing, and the Rose Brothers, and Mayweather Promotions. Sponsored by DraftKings Sportsbook, The Crown is yours, and Universal Time, 2:30 p.m. Pacific. Let's get started with 10 rounds of WBC Continental America Super Featherweight World Title. First up to the stage with a record of 21 victories, 13 by knockout. Opposite of 2 defeats and 2 draws, representing Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico. Coming off 5 straight victories, here is Jorge Mata.
Thank you.
Maganda Pilipino yan. Magsayo.
Salamat.
And now we welcome his opponent coming in with a record of 27 victories, 18 by knockout, and just 2 defeats. Fighting out of Las Vegas, This is our feature bout for our DBC Prime Video Prelims. Once again, very good afternoon to you, and we welcome you to the world famous MGM Grand Garden Arena here in Las Vegas, Nevada, as Premier Boxing Champions presents the PBC pay-per-view on Prime Weigh-In for our big night of action taking place tomorrow night right here, featuring the main event of the evening for the WBC Welterweight Championship of the World, Pacquiao versus Barrios. Our big night of action is all brought to you by MD Promotions along with TGB Promotions, and it is sponsored by DraftKings Sportsbook. The crown is yours, and by Universal Pictures. Nobody 2, only in theaters August the 15th. Well, fans, our opening pay-per-view attraction features fighters in the featherweight division for the WBA title eliminator. 12 rounds of boxing. Let's bring our fighters to the stage at this time. First from Los Angeles, California, he is the world-ranked featherweight. Please welcome to the stage, Joet Gonzalez. From West Lubbock, Texas. He's the True Division World Champion. Please welcome the Heartbreaker, Brandon Figueroa. And looks like our fighters are almost ready to step onto the scale. Let's bring them to the scale at this time. 12 rounds of boxing for the WBA featherweight title eliminator. Weight limit on this fight is a very strict 126 pounds. First, ladies and gentlemen, winner got 27 wins and 4 losses. He has 15 knockouts. Please welcome the Iron Chin, former world title challenger, Joet Gonzalez. Joet Gonzalez weighs in at 125 pounds, 125 pounds. And his opponent with a record of 25 wins, 2 losses, and 1 draw with 19 knockouts, the former super bantamweight and former featherweight champion of the world, and the Heartbreaker, Brandon Figueroa. Brandon Figueroa weighs in right at the limit of 126 pounds, 126. Bring our fighters together to face off. Once again, this opens up PBC pay-per-view on a Prime show. 12 rounds, WBA featherweight title eliminator, Brandon Figueroa versus Joet Gonzalez. It's going to be a war opening up our pay-per-view on the Prime. Now let's hear more from our fighters. And the microphone for a long time, been a champion for a while. What does it mean to you to step into the ring against a guy of that caliber?
It just shows that I belong with this stuff at this stage, and tomorrow night I'm going to prove that.
What can fans expect from Joet Gonzalez, and how do you pull off the upset?
I'm just going to come with everything. I trained really hard for this fight. I'm ready, and I'm going to win.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Joet Gonzalez. And now we'll bring over the Heartbreaker, Brandon Figueroa. Brandon, it's great to have you back. Obviously, the last time out wasn't up to your standard. How do you bounce back tomorrow night to get back into world title contention?
Great team, training camp. I'm just excited to be back, baby. Gonna be active this year, and can't wait to let my half over.
Joey Gonzalez, obviously looking as underdog. He's hungry. He has not been in your shoes before. How do you shut the door early tomorrow?
I gotta do what I gotta do best and go out there and fight my heart out and showcase the fans that I belong back the world champion status, and I'm here, man. I'm here to make great fights, and I'm just so excited.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, move up one more time for the Heartbreaker, Brandon Figueroa. Boxing Champions presents our next fight. It's a special attraction in the super lightweight division. Let's bring our fighters to the stage at this time. First, from Hermosillo, Sonora, Mexico. He is the super lightweight contender, the battle-ready Omar Salcido. First with a record of 20 wins and 2 losses. He has 14 wins coming by way of knockout. He's a super lightweight warrior. Best known for his recent knockout win over Chris Colbert. Please welcome Omar Salcido. Welcome up at 39.4 pounds, 139.4 pounds for and now here he is, ladies and gentlemen, with a record 27-3-1 with 18 knockouts, a world rank contender, former WBA super lightweight world champion, Isaac Pitbull Cruz. 138.8 pounds, 138.8 pounds. Let's hear from both of our fighters. Let's hand it over to Miguel Flores. Omar, you have a massive opportunity in front of you. You were almost caught, but your opponent was not going to be Pitbull. You got the call earlier today when you got that opportunity. Australia, popular challenger, former junior featherweight champion of the world, the Soul Taker, Tim Tszyu. And now we bring out his opponent from Coachella, California, the defending WBC Super Welterweight World Champion and boxing phenom, the towering Inferno, Sebastian Fundora. As our fighters
and are looking forward to this rematch. First, with a record of 25 wins, 2 losses with 18 knockouts. He's the former WBO junior middleweight world champion, the current world ranked challenger. Tomorrow night he is seeking revenge. Here is the Soul Taker, Tim Tszyu. 153.2 pounds, 153.2 pounds for Tim Tszyu. And now with a record of 22 wins, 1 loss and 1 draw, but 14 knockouts, the former unified world champion, the current reigning defending WBC super welterweight champion of the world, the towering inferno, Sebastian Fundora. Sebastian Fundora weighs in at a ready 152.6 pounds, 152.6. And now let's hear from both of the fighters. Hand over the microphone duties to the...
Make some noise, you guys. This is going to be the fight right here. This weekend is it's fully stacked, but the GOAT is back. The GOAT is back. This is going to be fight number 16 right here at the MGM Grand. This is officially Manny Pacquiao's house. I said it first, by the way. They could put a flag up there that says Bahay Kokito, Manny Pacquiao, right here. It's going to be beautiful.
Joe, great to have you with us. Let me bring you over here. We got a spot for you right here. Hey, listen, welcome to Big Time Boxing and the official Pacquiao versus Barrios weigh-in stage. What makes this occasion so special for you?
You're seeing the GOAT come back, and there's a bunch of people in here that ain't doubting it. I think we got a lot of people that are going to put some money on it, like me. You got a guy that carried this sport for a long time, and you're going to see a beautiful weekend. This is like, I've been waiting for this one.
No question. We were talking backstage, and your mother, of course, as we all know, are Filipino. What does that mean to you growing up? Tell us about that.
Well, when you're Filipino, you're always looking for some type of, something that you can be, proud to brag about. And Manny Pacquiao was that man for us. He held that flag up high for us. You couldn't wait to go back to work and talk about the fight that you just witnessed. You saw him fight De La Hoya. You saw him fight Morales, Barrera. You saw him fight everybody, and we were proud of that. And that's what he meant to us. Like, he was just out bragging, right?
Well deserved, no question about it. Something big to brag about as well. Now, you're no stranger to big crowds. You perform for tens of thousands live audience. What is the energy? How does it change for you here? What's the difference between a big show that you put on and the energy of the Manny Pacquiao fight?
It's completely different. We're going to see two warriors go at it, man. The energy that's inside these arenas is just unbelievable. I can't wait for tomorrow. Manny always brings it. There's never been a fight where you're not disappointed. We can't wait for this one. By the way, the whole card is stacked, man. Like, Tszyu versus Fundora, like, that's crazy. And of course, we got some more Filipinos on the fight, on the card. We got Manny and Barrios. This is going to be the best fight of the weekend. I
forgot to ask you, speaking of your mother, is she a Pacquiao fan also?
It's mandatory for a Filipino to be a Pacquiao fan. It's mandatory. It's absolutely mandatory. If you're not getting the fuck out of here, leave now. He makes us so proud. It's like my mom doesn't watch fighting until Manny's on. Then she's all of a sudden she's ringside. Punch him like that. Knock. Like that jab. So it's fun.
Las Vegas is very much a home to you for many years. You've been to big fights here. I know you're a big fight fan. What makes a Manny Pacquiao fight here at the MGM? Welterweight champion of the world, please welcome at Las Vegas, Mario Barrios. And now we invite his opponent to the stage, bringing the no introduction the world over for the Southern province of the Philippines, the Boxing Hall of Fame, the 8th division champion of the world, Manny Pacquiao.
Don't read it, but I'm so okay. Got a Benjamin and a Jackson out in my house, like I'm joking. Okay, been some poison, no Tyson, they still okay. Everybody wanna be demon, play it, buy your throwaway. I might do a show a day. What's a lame? Always a lame. Oh, you got the money, the power of fame will make you go away. Have you ever played? Have you ever? Okay, let's play. Have you ever watched your enemy down? Like the poker face. Have you ever paid $5 like for a movie case? But I have, and I feel it both, but I keep on straight. I hate when I rap, I talk about guns and somebody
onto the scale with a record of 29 wins, 2 losses and 1 draw. He has 18 knockouts. He's a 2-time world champion of Baby WBC Welterweight champion of the world, El Azteca Mario Barrios. Mario Barrios weighs in at 146.2 pounds, 146.2. And now his opponent challenging for the title, the pride of boxing, the pride of the Philippines, the one and only Manny Pacquiao. $146.8 pounds for the Pac-Man, 146.8 for Manny Pacquiao.
Trying to take in all of the people right now?
100%. This is crazy. Shout out, to all the Filipino fans here. So, todo mi gente mexicana que está aquí. Viva la raza! This is huge for me, for my career. Man, I'm excited to step in it tomorrow.
Best of luck, champion. Thank you. Mario Barrios, let's bring in now Pac-Man, Manny Pacquiao. Manny, before we start this interview, I want you to take a look up there in the rafters, right next to the American flag. 3, 2, 1. He's back. You will now be the man who has fought the most right here in the MGM Grand Garden, number 16. More than anybody in history, Tyson, Mayweather, all of the great fights that have come in here. When you see that banner, you've gone into the Hall of Fame, you've won in 8 divisions, 12 titles, you have everything. What made you decide that you wanted to do this again?
First of all, I would like to I'm so happy because I'm back, and I'm back here because of boxing is my passion. I miss boxing, and I'm so thankful to God because until now He gave me the strength, He gave me safe, He gave me good health. That's why Manny Pacquiao is still here, and I'm back.
The last man who said I'm back was Michael Jordan. He came back and won 3 titles. Are you channeling some of that?
Well, this comeback is dedicated to the Lord my God.
I don't want. It's been 4 years since you've been hit. How do you prepare for everything that you've known in your past life but haven't been used to the past 4 years?
Those 4 years in the past that I retired from boxing, I really miss boxing. It's good for my body because I'm able to rest give my body rest for 4 years because I've been in boxing for how many decades since when I was 12. So until now, so good for my body to rest for 4 years. Now I'm back. I'm excited to the fight. I'm really hungry to win the fight. I need the fans to win the fight. And I know the fans are waiting for a good fight. I know Marius is working hard, but that's our job. That's our job to entertain the crowd, to give you a good fight, and to satisfy them on Saturday night. That's our job.
Manny, best of luck. Legend, Honey Legend, and everybody's looking forward to your performance tomorrow night.
Thank you.
All right, Manny Pacquiao.
Nani!
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the promotional team, we thank you very much for your attendance here at our weigh-in. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Doors open at 12:45 p.m. For those die-hard fans, you can join us early. Free on Prime starting at